Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're just like me, just your everyday photographer, and you want to learn more about affordable camera gear, old and new, then why not subscribe to the channel and you'll get to see updates of all of the new and old camera gear I review, as well as my vlogs and days out photography videos. So what's this video about? Well, it's what's in this box. Unfortunately, I couldn't resist, so I've already opened it, but I'm going to show you guys what I've been buying. I'm getting a new camera for doing vlogging with. Hopefully it's going to improve my vlogs. I did have a little action camera, but unfortunately it was quite low resolution, quite an old one. So this one does 4K. Hopefully I'll be able to use this for B-roll and sort of point of view footage when I'm out and about. So hopefully it'll make the videos I do more interesting. So we'll open it up and see what's inside. Packaging's quite nice actually. As a designer, I can appreciate the quality that's gone into it. A little bit of varnishing on the outside of the box. The rest of it quite satin. Looks quite nice. Comes in a little pouch, which is fantastic because it means you shouldn't lose any of the gear that's inside it. What we have inside is instructions and sharing experience. Oh, that's great. You share your experience with Amazon and you get a choice of free gift. So in here we've got the camera itself, various little attachments and brackets, clips. Again, there's obviously got the instruction manual with a lens cloth, strap, some cable ties, always handy. That's the other bracket mount tripod, I think. Stickers for the attach it to things, and the data cables. Yeah, that's a pretty good deal. I think this was on offer on Amazon for about £48, which I thought was quite a good buy for the money. So yeah, that's the camera there in the traditional waterproof cases that you get with these things, and it looks a decent enough camera. These waterproof cases are fantastic. I used my last one when I was snorkeling on holiday, and yeah, it's quite surprising how a little bit of plastic and rubber seal keeps everything nice and dry. And one of the reasons I wanted this one in particular was looking at reviews. The image stabilisation in it seemed to be quite effective, which is one thing that I find a bit annoying when you're videoing, and even cameras, some of the cameras with image stabilisation in them still don't move about when you're moving around with them. I didn't really want to have to go to the extreme of having to buy a dedicated stabiliser for either my phone or for the FZ82, which I usually use for video as well. So that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to do a little unboxing of my new purchase, and I look forward to getting it charged up and ready to use in anger in a video soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.